Tcharan! Ayan guys, ito naman yung ating green color. Yan guys, napaka-nice niya. Ayan, pack na pack. Ayan yung ating pang third outfit guys sa beach. Ayan yung pang beach natin guys. O diba? Pack na pack. Ayan. O ayan guys. I really love it. Ayan. Guys, excited na naman ako mag-beach. Ayan, nalalapit na naman yung aking pag-vacation. Kaya pack na naman yung ating pang-rampa. Yan guys, o diba? Yan guys, pack na pack yan. O diba? Ayan guys, yung aking pangatlong outfit. Ayan, guys. Ayan o. Yung aking, o diba napaka-nice? Napaka-nice na guys, yung aking, ayan, outfit for swimming. Ayan guys, yung ating napaka-nice na swimsuit. Ayan yung ating pangatlo guys, pangatlo. Meron pa tayong pang-apat. Ay, hindi pwedeng hindi natin ipipit guys. Ayan.